All right, Pfizer is at $38.66 with a market cap of 215.65 billion. So we got some great news with Pfizer. The EU is going to sign the world's largest vaccine deal with Pfizer. So the EU is securing up to 1.8 billion doses of the Pfizer vaccine. And you know what that means? That means billions of dollars. This is great. There's not much more to this. It's just a massive deal. And you know what? They didn't sign with anyone else. They chose Pfizer. And I think Pfizer is just going to be kind of the standard. Johnson & Johnson ain't looking too good. And yeah, I mean this is a massive deal. It's going to equate to billions of dollars, and I just want you to be aware of that. So stay on top of this because I guarantee there's going to be some more deals in the pipeline, and that means more money for us, and hopefully it shoots that stock price up on Monday. But only time will tell. We'll have to see. So stay on top of this, do your own research, have some fun, make some money.
Video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.